Hey everybody, Tanya here, Tanya of Tanya's Tasteful Table, and I hope everyone's doing well. Today I just wanted to come on here and to say thank you guys for subscribing to my channel. I appreciate all of your support. I reached 1,000 subscribers, and I wanted to reach 1,000 subscribers before this year. And I thought that it would take until December, but like right before Thanksgiving, excuse me, my eyes are watery. Right before Thanksgiving, we hit 1,000, and I couldn't have done it without you guys. And I'm so grateful that I earned your subscription. When you're not a subscriber, you're a part of the family. And so I've looked over my analytics, and I see that you guys love the budget-friendly type of videos. Like, yeah, I did a Zgallerie dupes on a budget, and how to eat for $10 a week. I mean, that's how I roll. That's how I live. So I will be bringing you more of that. Like my prepping videos, you know, how to prepare and keep your pantry prepared for an emergency, and just to have stuff on stock. That's how I live. So I'll be bringing more of that. And you know, I'll be doing meal preps on a budget. The things I buy, you know, it's all about not being wasteful, but still having a rich life, still rewarding ourselves. I'm going to reward myself for, you know, hard work and things like that. I also wanted to thank you guys for my hubby. He's my first subscriber, and he works for one of the biggest healthcare systems here in Georgia, and he has worked every day since this pandemic. So he doesn't appear much on my videos, but he is a very big supporter behind the scenes. He wanted me to say thank you guys for being, you know, cool people. And you know, I don't have that many trolls right now, you know, but everyone, you know, is so cool. And he works every day, and when the pandemic first hit, he was getting up really early because he didn't want both of us out there exposed. So he would get up very early, get food for us, food for his aunt, and then he would go to work and come back home. And he does radiology, MRIs, CAT scans, and you know, all those diagnostic tests. That's what he does. He's been in the field for 30 years, so he wanted to say hi as well. And so again, I want to thank you guys for your support, and in honor of your subscription, I want to add today a tablescape. So stay tuned. I'm going to give you a special tablescape for the season. this from Burlington last year, and this beaded charger here, got that from Efavormart. This is a plastic one. It isn't the metal ones. I mean the glass ones. And this is a glass plate from Mikasa. And then I got this champagne flute from Ross. And this came from Zgallerie, and I got this from Amazon. And like I said earlier, and the deer, and the box came from, where did I get that? Big Lots. Okay, so let's bring this down just a little bit more. And before I conclude this video, I want to again salute you guys and toast. Have a toast. I have cider here. Thank you guys for all of your support, your kind words, and your encouragement. We're going to continue on in 2021. Salute. Bye guys. Bye tastemakers. Let's keep rolling.